Hello, hello! Welcome to Brown Girls Happy Hour, where you make drinks with two brown girls. This is your host, Kathy Thakur.
And this is your host Taman Divana making quarantine drinks with you. Today we are making a drink called Lemonade, inspired by Beyonce. And I believe everybody knows who Beyonce is, so let's jump right into it.
For this cocktail, you need bourbon, some simple syrup, and some lemon juice. You can also add lemon wedge for garnishing. Now let's go ahead and make this cocktail with Daman.
So, this is the Beyonce. Cheers!
Cheers! Hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, it's sweet.
It's very interesting, like given that Beyonce has an album that's called Lemonade, that they made it Lemonade as the Beyonce.
Oh yeah, that makes sense now. Like why this drink would be dedicated to Beyonce.
So Beyonce needs no introduction, I think. So I want to ask you, what's your favorite Beyonce song, Kathy?
Oh, it's so difficult. There are so many great Beyonce songs, But the one that's on the top of my head right now, and it's like in my head just buzzing around is that one. Girls run the world.
And there's a video where Channing Tatum dances as dressed up as Beyonce to this song.
Oh really?
It's so funny and so weird at the same time.
Oh my god, we have to see that. What's your favorite song?
I think mine is I Woke Up Like This. It was like an anthem for me for a good time period. And
Oh yeah.
I think I also set it up as my alarm clock because then I would right away get into the mood of I woke up like this.
That's actually a really great song for the alarm clock, to wake up to.
And I think I loved it more because it starts with the ode to a feminist. And that's why it stood out to me.
That's true, yeah.
And I think she has been doing this a lot in the last few years, like turning towards feminism more and more. She also brings women to the forefront a lot. And also her album Lemonade was just beautiful. It was very artistic and poetic, like the video. And I felt everything was very thought through. It got a lot of attention because people were more interested in whether Jay-Z and Beyonce are breaking up, is something happening there. But to me, like the whole package of it was very artistic.
Yeah, I know. And also so I was watching this documentary of Coachella, like the year when Beyonce went to Coachella. It was re-termed as Baychella after that. and there was like all this background and history about how she started getting into like in her group of like bands and even like her background singers and stuff like that and dancers. She always focuses on getting African American to her squad, which is so great. Like, I think it's kind of like a step towards, like it shows what kind of a person she is.
Yeah, and she's giving them equity, right? You can't just be like, I'm having equal white and equal black people in my video, because you have to give black people a forefront because they have been put in the background for so long.
Yeah.
And that's what she also does for women, I feel. Like, all women in her videos.
Right. And she's such a strong personality. Like, when she's on the stage, it's kind of like, oh my God, what are we seeing? Like, she's so strong. She's like goals.
And I'm not like a very fangirl kind of a person, but I do get why people are like so crazy over her.
Oh yeah, I totally agree. Like I understand why people are so crazy about her. I think I'm also crazy about her, but
I really like what author has said about her in the book, that despite her fame, Beyonce has never forgotten her roots. And that's why the author believes that she would like this drink that is made out of bourbon, because this is the most famous liquor of southern US where she has her roots in. And that's why this lemonade is for the Beyonce.
Oh, nice.
And if you're Beyonce fans too, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Cheers!
Cheers!